Hello everyone. Tonight we're going to be making a soap and I'm scenting it in Honey Vanilla Love Dust by Nature's Garden. This is supposed to be a Lush dupe and the fragrance is raw honey, cocoa butter, and chocolate. It does have a lot of vanillin in it, so I think I'm going to leave the fragrance out of the white. And I've already taken and mixed my micas, and we'll probably use a little bit of this Frost Brilliance glitter, maybe a little bit of the gold. We'll see how it goes. So I'm going to go ahead and pour off my batter into these two containers. It's getting a little thick already. I was soaping at a pretty cool temperature. We'll see how it goes. It will turn everything darker. Maybe I should put a little color stabilizer, but I don't really like to work with it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of titanium dioxide to this one here, so I'm going to mix that up and then we'll be back. Okay, we've got the titanium dioxide in here and we're going to mix these up. And then add our fragrance oil. I've never used it before, so I'm not exactly sure how it's going to work. Okay, we'll get our fragrance oil. It smells really good. Maybe I'll add a little bit of color stabilizer to the white and then pour just a little bit of the white off in another container without any fragrance in it at all. And we'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to get a small pouring cup here. And we'll probably get like a tan color out of this white. We'll give it a try. Oh my gosh, it smells good. I don't know if it's the chocolate or the cocoa butter. I guess it's a combination of both. Okay, we're going to go ahead. We're going to get our mold. So we use about half of it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and tap this down. And we'll give it one more tap down to make sure we get the air bubbles out. And I'm gonna go backwards this time. Really looks more brown than the gold, so I don't think I'm going to use the gold shimmer. I'll just use the white. And I don't have my makeup brush, so I'm going to just use my fingers. Usually I don't like to do that, but take and clean up our edges a little bit. Okay, we're going to go ahead, let this set up, and then we'll be back to cut it. The soap is ready, so we're going to go ahead and cut it. It almost started to overheat here a little bit for me. I'm going to go ahead and get these cleaned up and then set them aside to cure. Thanks for watching.